Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomi James, in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, in today's video we're making the popular French coils with attachments. All right, and what I just did is I was creaming I just applied some cream on the attachment, and then I got this pipe that I have at home. You can basically use anything that is round, and depending on the size of the coils, how big or small you want your coils to be. All right, so I place the attachment in the middle of the pipe, and then I'm just going to roll one end and then roll the other. I hope you understand that. Just basically what I'm doing in this video right now, guys.
So you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
So guys, this is what we have. I made two. So the next thing to do is to use hot water on these. You want to add conditioner into your hot water, and then I'm just going to, because the pipe is longer than the water container, so I'm just going to use cup and pour it and just let the hot water circulate around it. Right, so this is what we have. I'm just going to set this to dry. So basically guys, this is 2 a.m. in the middle of the night. Like, this was when I could finish up this video because I've been busy all day. All right, so it's all dried up definitely, and I'm just going to very carefully pull it out of the pipe. I want to be very careful. I do not want to mess with the coils because it's going to just ruin everything if I do. All right, you want to be very careful, guys. So guys, this is what we have. Like, it came out really nice. The coils and everything is really nice. It is bouncy and all of that. I think this is really affordable if you're trying to cut down budget and you want that French coils, but it's quite expensive, and this is something you can do at home and just braid your hair with it and all of that. I'm definitely going to be doing something with this in a video. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see that. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't, and until I see all of you amazing, super amazing people in my next video, please stay safe. I love you. Bye.